Jack here, and I've got with me this awesome barbecue griddle accessories kit. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free for this video, but as always, that won't change anything that I say. In this kit, you get a bunch of super cool tools and accessories that are gonna make your backyard grilling experience awesome and more exciting. In just a moment, I'm gonna open up the box, show you all the different items you get inside so you can have a better idea of what you get with this kit. Now, for the first use, they do recommend rinsing off everything with lukewarm water, and please store the griddle accessories in a cool and dry place after use. Now, when you first open up the box, you're greeted with this really handy little storage pouch for you to put all the tools and accessories in when you're not using them. Of course, do make sure everything dries out before you toss it into this pouch. We'll set that there. The next piece is this really cool apron that comes with this kit. So there is that apron with tool pouch. Really nice that they've included this in this kit. It's kind of like a almost vinyl-y material, which means it will wash pretty easily. Nothing's gonna stain or stick on here, and it looks like any moisture will run right off. So really nice that they've included that in the kit. In the kit, you've also got 2 different squirt bottles. Now, you could use these for condiments like ketchup or mustard, or you could use them for different seasoning, different kind of sprays or marinades that you might use with your meat when you're barbecuing. Very cool. There's a really neat abrasive grill cleaning brush to clean the grates on your grill, just to scrape off any built-up char or any residue after cooking. Really nice that they've included that. Next in this kit is this really handy little injector syringe for injecting your meats as needed when cooking. Really high quality, and it's nice and smooth to use with a nice needle with a protective cap on there. So we'll set that aside. So these little forms here are actually for eggs. So you can crack an egg and cook it on the inside of there to form it as a perfect circle or to form it as a heart. Really cute that that's there. These flip ups, you can cook nice and easily, pick it up when you're done, set it down, but these are your egg forms. Really cool that those are included. Next, we've got what looks to be a salt and pepper shaker that are refillable. You just unscrew the bottom, and there's caps on there as well, so that's a nice touch for your table, for your salt and pepper shaker. There's a nice pair of cooking scissors with a bottle opener as well. Really like that that's included. You definitely want that when you're out grilling, for sure. Next up, we have a little seasoning brush. This is a silicone brush. Your different seasoning or glazes for you to wipe that on your meats as you're grilling. Really nice. We'll throw that in the bag. Next up, we have this slotted turner or flipper for flipping your meat on the grill. Really nice that it's slotted so anything will run through as needed, and it's got a nice handle on it. I really like that as well. No backyard grill accessories kit would be set without a good pair of tongs. So you've got a nice set of tongs here with some rubber silicone ends. So in this package, you've actually got 4 different or 2 pairs of corn cob holders. So you'll actually take 2 of these, stick them into the ends of the corn cob, and there's 2 sets of 2 there. Now, if you're wondering what this is gonna be your basting cover. So if you need to cover something, you can go ahead and do that. And there's a nice little hook on the end to hang it when you're not using it, but great to keep things covered after basting. You do get a really long pointy fork for stabbing and flipping and moving steaks or other meat around. Be very careful with that because it is pretty sharp, but a really nice thing to have in this kit. Here we've got a slant edge scraper that you can use as needed to clean or move things around on the grill. Pretty nice size, and I like the slant on that edge. You do get 2 really nice long spatulas in this kit, one with slots, one without, so regardless of which one you need to use, they're both here and you'll be set with these 2 spatulas. Also in this kit is a nice 6-inch long chopper with a ruler on the edge of it, so very easy to use to chop or cut things up, or if you need to measure something, you've got it on the edge there. And last but not least, the 2 last things in this kit, you've got 10 different hanging hooks, so you can hook these wherever on your grill as needed to hang the various tools, so they're easily at reach while you're working, and you can grab things while you're cooking, while you're grilling, hang it on the grill, hang it wherever you need to. But 10 hooks right there, really nice that that's included. You get these 4 different kebab skewers. Take a look at one of those there. Very nice and easy. You just skewer everything you need to on here, throw this on the grill, cook it as needed, and you can serve it just like that. There's 4 of them included here. And that's gonna about do it for this griddle accessories kit. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking at this grill accessories kit, I hope this video helped your purchase decision. I'll see you in the next one.